Are you looking for the best budget electric scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best budget electric scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HEZZO X6 Folding Electric Scooter. The HEZZO X6 boasts a lightweight and foldable design, making it incredibly portable. Easily fold it up and carry it with you on public transportation, store it in your car trunk, or even carry it in a backpack for effortless commuting. Despite its compact size, the HEZZO X6 packs a punch with its high-performance motor. Effortlessly navigate city streets, sidewalks, and even mild off-road trails with speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour. This e-scooter is perfect for short to medium distance travel. Equipped with 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, the HEZZO X6 ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rougher surfaces. Its dual braking system, consisting of both front and rear disc brakes, provides reliable stopping power for added safety. With a high-capacity battery, the HEZZO X6 offers an impressive range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring new places, the HEZZO X6 has you covered. Turn heads wherever you go with the HEZZO X6's sleek and modern design. Its minimalist aesthetics and vibrant color options make it a stylish addition to your daily routine. The HEZZO X6 is ideal for city dwellers who want to beat traffic and save time on their daily commute. Easily navigate through crowded streets and sidewalks, and arrive at your destination refreshed and ready. Number 2. Q7 Pro Electric Scooter. High-cost performance model, $1,000 level, has the best performance and outstanding appearance. 3,200 watts motor, the fastest speed up to 70 km/h, commuting, shopping, short schedule, urban light off-road choice. Foldable body, can easily fit into the rear trunk of the car. High-strength aluminum alloy body, no shaking, no rust. 52V19A 988 Wh battery, the battery life can reach 60-70 km, enough for daily use. Integrated jack controller, the latest integrated jack controller, can easily and quickly replace the controller, to solve the later maintenance troubles. Front and rear hydraulic disc brake. Brake is more stable and safer. The front hydraulic shock absorber and the rear high-strength spring shock absorber make the riding more stable and more comfortable. Front 6-speed headlights, pedal side 3-color lights, rear flow turn signals, hidden running lights, hidden brake lights. Pedal side tricolor lights can be individually controlled. 10-inch dual-purpose tires, wear-resistant vacuum tires, 90mm wide tires, more contact with the surface, more stable riding. Multifunction LCD instrument with USB phone charging port. Meter can display speed, electricity, mileage, voltage and other content. Kilometers and miles can be switched. Number 3. G2 Max Electric Scooter. Enjoyed the soaring speed. With the maximum speed up to 35 miles per hour, it can easily cope with steep 30 degrees hillside. G2 Max Electric Scooter is equipped with 48 volts/20Ah high-capacity batteries, with a maximum load of 264 pounds. And a maximum range of 50 miles after 10 hours of single charge. G2 Max Electric Scooter adults are equipped with a 4-arm shock system and double disc brakes, which greatly reduce the impact from all kinds of difficult terrain. G2 Max uses 140mm disc brakes plus electric brake. The e-brake can shut down the engine power in an emergency, quickly control the speed, achieve short-distance emergency braking, guarantee your riding safety. More comfortable to watch, easy to control, with all the driving data, customizable electric scooter speed and cruise control. 3 driving modes, from novice to high-end gamer. Whether you want laid-back comfort or extreme wildness, all give you the fun you want. The G2 Max Electric Scooter has a 6-light system, 1 front headlight, 2 front auxiliary lights, 1 tail light brake light and 2 turn warning lights. The lights flash as a reminder when turning and the tail light flashes as a reminder when braking. It not only illuminates your path at night and provides all-round safety. Number 4. HEZZO F8 electric scooter. 16 inches full-frame remote control LED lighting, 8000 watts dual 4000 W motors with 50 ILG lithium battery. The design of HEZZO F8 is just like art of industry. It shows the muscle of a super power scooter supposed to be and the delicacy of engineering. The 8000 W dual motor enable you to ride a max speed up to 100 km per hour. The 50 ILG battery provide a distance over 120 km. The 16 inches off-road tires ensure the full terrain ride and perfect stability. Full suspension with shock absorbers provide you the ever most comfortable riding experience just like you are driving the car. The oil pressure disc brake system and super bright turn sign protect you the best for safety and securities. With HEZZO F8 wheel motors, you may easily speedy ride up to 120 km, and an angle of 55 degree of slope. The qualified motors ensures you the most stable and powerful riding experience. With the super qualified road tires, obstacles such as jungle roads, mountain road, hills will not hinder your riding experience. These wide-width tires improve shock absorption and slip resistance. They also make the HEZZO F8 as the strongest one above all scooters. The front and rear suspension is a quadrilateral structure which perfectly unloads force, making this design suitable for riders of all abilities from novice to professional to maximize the safety and comfort of your HEZZO riding experience. Number 5. Powerful electric scooter. Q06 Pro Series electric scooter, following the shape of the last 2 generations, is loved by cycling enthusiasts. Dual U7 LED headlights plus travel lights plus turn signals plus atmosphere lights make your riding safer. Large LED instrument panel, automatic cruise system, C-type shock plus rear spring shock 2800 watts to 5600 watts, dual motor power, slope climb 50 degrees, acceleration experience strong maximum speed 80 km/h to take you through a variety of difficulties. Speed slope may be based on the rider's weight, weather conditions, road conditions, and scooter maintenance. Equipped with 60 V27R lithium-ion battery, charging can be about 8 hours, can be recharged 4,000 times, service life of up to 25 years, dual motor, large capacity battery support, bad off-road road, wet snow driving conditions can be unimpeded 11-inch high-strength off-road tires, high-strength scooter body design of whole aluminium alloy plus iron. Pedal and faucet height distance have been carefully measured and designed, ergonomic, can be adjusted up and down, more safe front C-type shock absorption plus rear spring shock absorption, double oil brake plus electronic brake system, even if fast driving can also be emergency braking, even speed bumps, can also be soft and easy to pass. The shock absorber effective link 95% impact.